Take a snapshot of yourself right now, because I better not see you in the same place a year from now. Mentally, spiritually, physically, financially, 2025 is your year to transform. This time next year, you should be unrecognizable from who you are today. I want you to drop a comment with your goals for the person you'll be by the end of 2025. Visualize it, don't hold back. Write down who you'll become. Let this year be the one where you finally stop wasting potential. Imagine walking out of 2025 and into 2026, living the life you've always wanted. Every single day you let slip is a day stolen from that dream life. That should motivate you to take action. Every time you skip out on your goals, remember that you're one of the 400 trillion chances to be here. It's too rare and precious to waste even a week, a day, a month, let alone a whole year. Make 2025 the year that everything changes, not just for you, but for the people you care about. Because when you grow, everyone around you benefits. Watch this video as many times as you need. Play it 2, 3, 4 times if that's what it takes to ingrain it into your mind. Let this message become a reminder that no matter what, 2025 is going to be your best year yet. Leave your goals below, then come back at the end of 2025 and see if you stayed true to your promise. You've got this.